Alright, here's how to quickly check if your PC might be compromised. First, right-click the Windows Start menu and select Run. In the dialog box, type MRT and press OK. This will open the Microsoft Windows Malicious Software Removal tool. Once it launches, click Next. You'll be prompted to choose a scan type. If you're short on time, select Quick Scan. It focuses on the most common areas where malware hides. If you want a deeper check, choose Full Scan, which examines your entire system but may take a few hours depending on your PC's performance. For now, go with Quick Scan. If anything suspicious is detected, the tool may recommend running a full scan afterward. The Quick Scan usually takes just a few minutes. If any threats are found, the tool will display the results and remove them automatically. Next, open the Run dialog again. This time, type netpolwiz and press Enter. This will open the User Accounts window, where you can see all profiles on your system. If you notice any unfamiliar accounts, that's a warning sign. Select the suspicious account and click Remove to prevent unauthorized access. Finally, right-click the taskbar and open Task Manager. In the left sidebar, go to the Startup Apps tab. Click on the status column to sort apps by what's enabled. Review the list carefully. If you find anything unfamiliar or something you didn't install, right-click it and choose Disable. This prevents it from launching automatically when your PC starts. Disabling unknown startup apps helps reduce the risk of malware running silently in the background.